check this out, guys. These have been my new EDC for the past week, and it's amazing. This is the new TRIVISA Hummingbird. I mean, new to me. It's not that new, but a great little pocket knife for EDCing. G10 on white. I think that looks just brilliant. Look at the finish. It's amazing. Comes relatively sharp from the factory. You'll see that in a minute. Jimping. Let's see if I don't cut myself. Jimping right here feels like really good for tasks where you need to actually use a little bit of force. I've been using these to open boxes and cut in like coffee packages and stuff at work for the last week and stuff, and it's been great. It's an amazing pocket knife. How I said, like, you can't even feel this thing in your pocket, and it doesn't bother at all. It's ambi, so you can actually change the clip, which is amazing, by the way, to the other side if you need to. Yeah, safety mechanism, it's great. You can actually look how tiny this thing is. Like, for me, it makes just an amazing EDC knife. The colors are great. Everybody's like, oh man. So yeah. All right, let's talk specs. The blade, it's made out of 14C28N. And how I told you before, the handle have G10 scales in it, so it makes like an amazing little knife. The grippiness of the G10 is amazing. It's easy to clean. In this case, it's white, so you want something that you can actually clean easy with any like product on it or stuff like that. So I feel like it's an amazing thing that they made it G10. It actually feels great. It's not heavy at all. So yeah, you can still have like a very good grip on it. So yeah, finish, it's amazing. I love this thing. Presentation on these knives is actually pretty damn good. Look at, oh, check this out. This thing is awesome. Like always, I'm gonna leave the links down below so you can check it out. Prices change all the time on this thing, so that's why I do it this way. Go check it out, it's gonna be down below. All right, guys, there you have it. So if you like this kind of content like me and you love to have all the tools you need on your EDC kit, or tech wise, you like, you know, checking all the new gadgets and stuff, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe. I would love to hear from you. I would love to build a community around people that love this kind of stuff. So yeah, write down in the comments if you like it, what else you recommend out there. I'm constantly looking for new stuff to bring to you guys, especially stuff that you can afford more easily. And yeah, I do, you know, like expensive stuff also, but hey, not every time you need to spend the big bucks to get something with great quality. So yeah, write down below any recommendations you have and all that. And yeah, this is the Alexander Project, and I'm Alexander, and I'll see you in the next one.